We've been asking for innovation in the drone tech space, and not to say we haven't gotten any innovation, but we've only, at least when it comes to the Mavics and the Autels and the aerial filming drones, it's pretty much just gotten better, right? Either better cameras, better flight time, but nothing really mind-blowing. And that's the reason why I had to get this drone. Yep, there's some goodies inside here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. A bag, yes. And of course, the drone. I really like this bag. It's got the sticky things. It's got a buckle to unclip, which is pretty cool over here. Oh, look at that. That was really, really thoughtful for packaging. Like, you didn't even have to do this. But that was really nice to help keep the form factor and everything in shape. Inside of here has got, of course, straps, shoulder straps, very nice. And you've got your separating pads, very nice, with spaces and everything to do your separation. I really like it. This can be used as a camera bag too. And I was recently thinking about buying a camera bag. It does not feel cheap at all. The handle's got this nice under here. It's got like this cushiony for your hand. Really, really just feels so nice. And the back here's got this piece that can slip over your luggage in case you're traveling. You just slip this over the arm. Really, really thoughtful. I always love these, especially with the Autel bag, because you could put hot batteries in there, continue to travel and go about your business, and your batteries get to cool, as opposed to your batteries being inside the bag, being hot, and that's a problem. The ring that you click onto, not plastic either, everything just metal. Premium, quality. Usually companies will ship the drone with the controller, but this is different. Now, it does come in an instruction manual. I don't read manuals. Hey, it's got English on it, which is pretty cool. And it's got a lot of pictures on it that show you everything step by step, which is nice. When a controller comes with a linear, you know people have been flying it. Linear doesn't feel all that premium, but it's got metal at the end. If you don't have one of these, well, then you got one now. Oh, man. Sides feel premium here. Reminds me of the 3DR Solo. If you go, any old school guys out there, you know about the 3DR Solo. Oh, it's got a button here for sports mode and for L, right? The sides here feel premium. The front here feels like a little soft plastic, but overall I like it. Looks like it has some kind of cooling vents. The buttons are not very clicky, but they do respond, right? Power buttons on the side, that's different. Nice textured button. Yep. It's just all one level. See, you can't tell that there's a whole compartment at the back here because they made it all one level. So a lot of design and care went into this, I can tell. There we go. We open this up nicely, come around, bang. Oh, nice. Now you can slip your phone in here. You're good to go. I don't know how I'll fit my tablet in there. I'll probably have to get something 3D printed, but for a phone, yeah. It's got a USB-C here and a USB-A. I'm guessing the A is for the phone and the C is for charging this module. This comes out. Antennas fold around. Not bad. I like it. I like it. Oh, there the sticks under there. I wish they had like a grooved out kind of a thing for the sticks as opposed to just sitting in there. Not bad. Oh, wow. It's got two buttons at the back here, too. Two buttons. Wow. I'll tell you, in the hands, even though this doesn't feel like the most premium build, it just suits flying. Like, everything is well positioned. Your hands can grip around here nice and neat. You got access to these two buttons right here. You get access to two wheels. Two wheels at the top. See that, DJI? Take note. Two wheels at the top. So I'm guessing one is for exposure, one is for gimbal, right? There you go. There's a stop button here. So I guess in case you're in any flight modes, you just hit stop. And oh my gosh, it's pretty good. To just go with the regular code, like what the regular drones use, I'm sure would have been simple and easy, but this, damn, this had to take a lot of work. Listen, you enthusiasts out there, you collectors out there, you ballers out there who want, you know, not only the latest and greatest, but you've got money to spend because this is your hobby. take a look at this, right? You show up with a Mavic 3, yeah, now you're gonna be like, everybody's gonna ooh and ah, but give it a couple weeks when everybody and their brother has a Mavic 3, it's like whatever, right? Padded, everything. And this here in a styrofoam case, oh man, look at this. Oh wow, they've got instructions, they've got basic warnings here. These I'll take a look at because they're big and they have pictures, right? But this packaging here with all the instructions, nice, shows you everything that comes in the box. But I don't really read instructions, but it's good to know it's there and it's in English, right? Tells you everything is English and Chinese. It's just different. Oh my gosh. Here we go. I just got to take a moment to soak this all in, right? Wow. Wow. Very few of you are taking advantage of these expensive drones and these expensive cameras because you really don't need it when you could be flying something unique. And no, this is not made by Unique, right? And why I say that's because looking at the camera, it's not like a 1-inch sensor or micro four thirds or anything. It looks just like your original Mavic cameras, your Mavic Pro or your Mavic Mini camera. So the image will probably equate to that of this. See that? About the same size camera. This one's a little bigger, but yeah. So in terms of expectations, you know, you can't expect to get Air 2S or Mavic 3 quality out of this, but oh my gosh, this should be a blast to fly and to have something different. This just looks so robotic and so futuristic. I am so happy that a company has actually taken the time to innovate and make something different from the pack instead of following the crowd. And it says right here, it's got a little Falcon icon over here. I just had to get this. I just had to. Peel this off. Oh, there goes the sticker. There's some more stickers here that says press, hold tight. I like that. They say press and hold tight before you release so you don't break the arms. So the arms lock in place when they're closed, and then you have to press both if you're going to pull both. I'll pull one at a time. You hear it goes click, and then it locks into place. When you try to push it back, it won't go back because it's locked. It clicks. This one, same thing, press, and there you go. Now it's locked in place. It won't go back. And to lock it back, you must press it to lock it back. Otherwise, you'll break it. Right? So that's pretty good. And that's to ensure that it stays in place while it's there zooping around in the air, providing this thing could actually fly. Even if you just want to call this a collector's piece, as long as it flies, right, this will make a fantastic collector's piece. Like, just showing up with this is like, hey, what you flying, Mavic 3? Yo, look at this. I'm flying a Falcon, bro. Like, are you kidding me? I'm flying a Falcon. I mean, that's if it flies. This is so cool. Like the military vehicles that go up and then they go like zoom, and then it just finally something new, something innovative. I can't wait to take this out. Now, it is chunky, it is heavy. It's probably about the same weight of an Air 2S, or probably a little bit heavier. I think it's all battery in there. The batteries click, you just pull back over here. And the batteries, oh, the batteries detach. Oh my gosh, this is light, right? Just the part with the motors are a little top heavy, but oh my gosh, this battery's a brick. I wonder how long this flies for. Well, we're gonna find all that out, because I would just enjoy flying this. Some nice vents at the top here. Look at this. This whole design is just like fire. Look at this. You showing up, I mean, and nothing is like cheap on this. Everything on this aircraft just feels nice. It's plastic, of course, right? The gimbal, everything is just, and the whole black is just decked out. And man, it's got sensors in front, which is pretty cool. It's got downward sensors at the bottom here, which is cool too. It's got like a little rubber thing on the battery for landing. Here, the bird is coming down. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put this away. I wanna finish this video. I wanna go out and fly. So under here, there's like a nice padded styrofoam, wow, thing under here. We'll take that out. to reveal more goodness. What do they give us? Some extra props, which I hope I never have to use, but they're there. We got 2 extra props. We have a screwdriver, kind of a hex Allen with some extra screws in there. Props are screw-on type props, so not a big bummer for me because it stores with the props on. If it didn't store with the props on, then yeah, I'd be upset about screw-on props. You got your cables over here. I can plug this up to my phone because I'm USB-C. I think that, I don't know if the Apple phones are using USB-C yet, but my phone is, so that's good. What is this? Leg extensions, I'm guessing. Now this part doesn't feel too premium, but just click it on over the battery, I'm guessing. There you go. Like this. Oh, it just clicks right in. We'll have to see how this holds up, because I do intend to fly this drone a lot. There you go. There's your ZEROZERO unboxing. All right, I'm gonna charge these things up, update the firmware if it has anything like that to be done, take it in the field, and I'll have a first flight video for you guys. Look at that wingspan. You Falcon, you better fly. I'm just saying. All right, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I release the flight video with this thing. And I will catch you guys whenever I can. Falcon out. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel, and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.